is it important to establish your material supplier as one of the first steps on your food packaging project?
Yeah, absolutely. So oftentimes customers really tend to overlook the importance of their packaging supplier and also making sure that they define the design parameters of their package early on before we start design of the packaging machine. Because oftentimes design parameters such as the package shape, the package material, the package thickness are all factored into the design of the machine.
Oh, interesting. And what are we really talking about here? What kind of issue with a supplier can affect performance?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you look at design of the machine from beginning to end and how the package is handled, how it's filled, how it's sealed, these are all critical stations that can really impact the performance of the machine. And believe it or not, the material supplier that we work with has to set the right tolerances for the package for us to make sure we run the machine at as high of a performance as possible. So to walk you through some examples, we'll look at the beginning of the machine, and then we'll go to filling, and then we'll go to sealing. So when you look at the beginning of the machine, for example, if you have inconsistent material, we can have issues with package handling as it's brought into the machine. That can cause issues such as double denesting of cups or of pouches, which could then cause, for example, machine jams as the package moves through the machine. As we transition to the next stage of the machine, filling, if you have inconsistent package shape, for example, it could cause overflow of the product. So it means you're giving away products for free, or it could be underfill of the products, which is actually an issue from a legal standpoint. But when you look at machine performance, if you have an improper shape that's consistent, you can have splashing that occurs as a package moves down the machine, which then causes issues in the next station, which is sealing. So if you get products, for example, that's splashing onto the sealing flange, then that could cause leaks further down in the process. So it's super important that we look at everything from the packaging material thickness, the composition, and all this has to be consistent and controlled early on in the design of the packaging equipment.
Yeah, well, that's all very interesting. Thank you so much for clarifying all these points. And if you'd like to learn more about this topic, reach out to Waldner North America. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.